Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create projects and folders in Wrike step by step. If your workspace feels unorganized or hard to follow, yeah, this setup will fix that. Alright, before creating anything, let's clear this up. In Wrike, projects are used for work with deadlines, while folders are mainly for organizing tasks without a fixed timeline. So, knowing this helps you choose the right one. To create a project, click the plus icon in the sidebar and choose Project. Give it a name, and you can also add a start and end date. Dates are what make it a project. Once the project is created, you can add a description, assign an owner, and adjust the project status. I mean, this keeps everyone aligned from the start. Now, let's create a folder. Click the plus icon again, but this time choose Folder. Folders are great for grouping tasks by client, category, or workflow stage. You can place folders inside projects to organize work even better. So, for example, one folder for planning, one for execution, and one for review. Next, start adding tasks inside your projects or folders. Click Add Task, name it clearly, and place it where it belongs. This structure makes tracking progress way easier. If you need to reorganize later, just drag tasks, folders, or even projects in the sidebar. I mean, nothing is permanent, so you can adjust anytime. And that's how to create projects and folders in Wrike step by step. Once this structure is in place, managing work becomes much simpler. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.